Ngalo.
Hey madoda sizwami.
Uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila usukhona.
Hayi ngikhona.
La ngitholakala khona.
La uthola ebumnyama.
Ebumnyama.
Makhashakhashi.
Uyangaza ngi.
Futhi zikhaya phi ke?
Hayi manje namhlanje manje kunesimo esingekho right la eAlexander.
Yeah.
Gogo omdala nje unabo uma 80 something.
Hawu.
Hayi uselala benyoni manje emzini wakhe akasakhulekile khona umfana uthiwa umdu. Hayi umhlalele manje uyamnokhela uyamluyisa.
Umliselani?
Yangazi ukuthi udala thola ukuthi kahle uhleli ngaliphi lapha emzini wakhe logogo.
Hawu.
Ngathi khona impela nje ukushaya amanzi lapha ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uza nabangani bakhe bezomhlukumeza logogo. Lokho kusesaba nokulala kwakhe.
Hayibo. Cha.
Kodwa ke into ebengicela ukuthi ungenze leyo. Bengicela uyela eAlexander iyoyizwela kahle istory kulogogo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Then mina ngizoba ngibhizi ngifunana nalesikila
mkhoba. Alright. Ngithumele ke into zakhona zase Alexander bese ngishona khona.
Inkinga ayikho khululeka.
Masumphethe B bese uyangithini.
Ngale yami ingalo mthetho.
Uyazi. Sabona umJoyce.
Yebo.
Uyaphila?
Siyaphila ma.
Ngiyaphila.
Yebo.
Mama igama mina uAndile.
Andile.
Hayilisiwe vela emoja la. So ngizwile ngendaba yakho ebhlungu. So sizelana ukuthi sizosiza wena. So asiqale eqaleni kwenzakalani?
Umalume wacala wacashisa abantu.
Okay.
Emzini wasekhaya. La sihlala khona sisonke. Uthengise imizi ama properties. Usicabanga njalo.
Ama properties wabazali.
Abazali.
Okay.
And elinye I property. Ugogo untatemkhulu walishiyela ubaba.
Okay.
And abele gore wa tlogela ge wa re sia ntatemkhulu wa rona.
Okay.
Wa tsamaya. O ya le godimo.
Okay.
Aba bona gore a itsele diatla matsogong a gagwe.
Okay.
Ele gore o batla go retswa mo tlase
ka dintlo tse.
Ka di properties.
Okay.
Anyala. Ha anyala a fetsa go nyala ebele gore o ya ko number 11 ko 5.
Okay.
Ko ke property engwe ya rona.
All right.
Abele gore o tloga o dula ko teng. Room ene ke dula ko tsona ne ke dula mo di roomong tse pedi.
Okay.
Ha ke dula mo di roomong tse pedi yalo ebele gore wa tla wa nqhekanyetsa ka maqheka yalo wa ntse o tsenya ngwana wa gagwe. Go tla le gore mo teng ga taba eo ke tlhobogana le sister ke tlhobogana le brother ke tlhobogana le ngwanaka o ke mo tsetseng go tla mo goreng mo ya no ngwana wa mphetogela a fetsa go mphetogela go tsoga mo bong ana a robetse mo go yone go tla mo go nna go tla go batla go ntlaba ka thipa.
Hai.
Ebe nna taba ya gore nna ya no ke tsenya mo go yena.
Wa etsa?
Go tlhokofela.
Ka jwang?
Ga ntse ke ne ka mo betsa mo.
O mo bitsitse kang?
Ka thipa.
Nna re o kwaza ka
yona ana re o kwaza nna ka yona ka iphamola mo go yena.
Wa mo kwaza ka yona? Ba reng ko court?
Ko court ba rile mo go nna ba rata. Ha wa dira ka bomo o no itwela le wena.
Self defense. So what brings us to today hore nna ke be ke tle mo go tlo thusa?
Go simoletse o mo gape. Gone mo jarteng mo.
Okay.
Wa nhlogomeza.
Mang?
Ngwana o na dula opposite le nna yana.
Ke malebitso la hae?
Ke Mtutuzi.
O batla mo wena?
Mo go nna o ntshekisa taba ya gore ra itse gore stand se se rekisitswe yang mo go rona. Yaanong stand se rona ra rekisa stand. Se setseng ke taba ya gore re nagane gore o rometswe ke yena malume gore ampedise. Ka gore o na le gore o tla ndobola ampolae nna ke felle ke bophelo.
O kile kena ka mo ntlong o le ko ntlong?
Go kena a isa kene mo tlong mara se a kileng a se dire ke go latlela le botlolo go bontsha gore o neto
to doing something.
Yeah.
Le botlolo la
La beer.
A lahlela kae?
Motlu.
So mama, ke mang o mong o ka mpha more information like family ya hao o tsebang ka taba e?
Family ya ka e teng.
Ke mang?
But e teng. Susan.
Okay. A re ko yena he. Le kae mama?
Le teng le kae?
Ke teng. Mme ke mang konje?
Ke Matsusane.
Matsusane. O ngwana wa mme Joyce.
Ke mme wa mme Joyce Joyce.
Joyce Joyce. Okay. A re potele ka taba tsa case.
Motutuzi ne?
Yeah.
Ke ngwana o rona re sa tlogang re mo tlwaetse.
Okay.
Wa itse mo Alex or any other place?
Yeah.
Ha batho ba tswa plekeng A1.
Yeah.
Like ba tswa Komsinga. Ba ha ba fitla mo Gauteng.
Yeah.
And then ba hlobana se le dihlobo.
Yes.
So we don't know so much about Mdu. But Ramutseba gona ya no mo formole. O dula mo number 24. Na tlwaetse go tla gona mo Jarting a re o hlobana le ba ko Gamvelase. Ba ba dulang mo room ya storeroom sa garage mo gae. Yeah. So storeroom se sa garage seo. Se stelle ke mo dilo tsa mama ka ne di dula ka mo teng.
Okay.
Yeah. So maloma ka ha a tsebana le bona batho ba ba di taxi ba batla ba tlo sebetsa mo Gauteng. Ntate Mvela sa dula mo a ba tlhokafala le mosadi a tlhokafala. That 2018.
So Mtutuzi ke ngwana wa bona?
A se ngwana bona ha bana. A se ngwana bona, like I say mo wena. Yeah, and then you get to be a family. Yeah. So 2018, when my cousin brother was shot, 8 bullets aya ko msebetsi mo gating. We thought to ke bona bongtu because nasa utlwane le bona. He had this thing ya hore le yena ke stance sa gaga ke ngwana wa mo gae. So ne ba sa morati. And kana kwene a tla to dula malome answer mama forcefully mo 2 room ba mo kenya ka mo ntlong in the main house. Ona we were happy because I'm staying ko Thabanchu. I was happy gore at least modise o teng o tla sala a re tlhokomela le mama. Kanti there's a motive behind it. I don't worry about that. Do ke ena problem ya rona right now because re tswa since 2018 I started these things tsa gore yena ke boss after Mundise a tlhokafala. There's a thing ya gore yena o yenza ma deal no malume. So when I call malume to come and reprimand Mdu, malume doesn't say a lot because is he fearing Mdu or what, I don't know. And then abaitsa 2 partitions wakashisa kamo legamo, people are paying 1,500. So I had to ask the people who are living there hore lona le kena jwang. And he was just as busy as that to say, yeah, this is my yard. I'm going to own everything. And le batho ba dula mo jarete mo tshwantse ba tlo patela monna. Okay, ba patela jwang mo wena? Hai, ke tla le bontsha nna ke tswa ko Msinga. Ene futhi nina nina Thakathi ni abulala, you are harlots and all those names. And even my mom. Imagine if a person tells you that inguzana yakho inuke Alexander yonke. How do you feel? And all these times when my mom is in fear, fearing Mdu because Mdu is doing 1, 2, 3. But at least we did something. Kati 29 bamokwala.
Okay.
Bamokwala.
What's the charge?
Nearly into your protection order, violated a protection order. Mama had a protection order. Yes. We got that, and then the police arrested Mdu. Monday after Easter. Tuesday, and then Rautla Horo Utswile Ukrele bail. How we don't know that. And then when I left to go Thabanchu, I gave my sister into Enaya Hore Alate Lento Ena Hore Hueza Halanko police station, and then Sergeant Mukupi as the investigating officer gave my sister the whole information for Little Court Kadi 8. So Kadi 8 May. That is.
Isn't that today?
Today.
Yes, ma'am.
This morning, we're from court and we expected Mdu to be there, only to find that Mdu is not there.
Here's the thing. Latina was saying, Sitilange violence.
Yeah, it's violence and intimidation.
All of these things.
Yeah.
So ngiyazibona ezokashisa and as a property angeke sikwazi ukungena kakhulu lapha.
Yes.
Inkinga yethu ukuthi nangumuntu omdala uhlukunyezwa indoda esitshela ukuthi yena ine khondla kwazi ukwenza konke. Yabo? What are you going to do and how do you want us to help you now?
Yeah, because we you have tried a lot of avenues.
Yeah.
My council and the GVB people.
Yeah.
Ke bona batho ba thusang gagolo because they always visit her. Yeah.
So, how do you want me to help you?
I want this guy to be arrested.
All right, Mama, thank you so much for this info. At least, Janung, we have a full picture. We take the assignment. We know now what to do.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you, la.
Arriege. Sabanama, I'm all right. How are you? I'm good. Okay, my name is Andile. You see me? So, just a summary of the case. The case of Mama, 80-year-old, harassed by this gentleman over here. There was a case today. Walegi Lukai, he was supposed to appear. So that's why keep it JC.
So, problem here today go in a attendant court.
Yeah.
And the issue warrant of arrest. Usala pena pena.
What?
Opposite.
Opposite number 24 for Tegeli, opposite us.
So, Mara, if the person I appear on court, who issue a warrant of arrest, and after that, probably that's bail man, forfeiting.
Did I hear you say, but this time magistrate said no bail? Gulenta keep a man.
Something like if they can get him.
Yeah.
If it's come over,
Yeah.
I will get a bail.
Okay.
Because I appear on court and I was warrant of arrest.
Joba kuka so manje. Kubalekile. You guys, are you aware UIO? Angazi ukuthi nenza kanjani ekhesini kagogo ohlala eWani nomuntu owaziyo ukuthi manje makazoboshwa mhlambe ngeke aphume because of ugogo. Clearly she's in more danger. That's one thing. The second thing is ngizonibuza ukuthi thina njoba beze kithi as a show, we are doing our own investigations. So when we find him, what's the procedure? Do we bring him to you?
We have to.
No, then that's a proper way forward. Mara nani man shaya around man nige needs mukoko. Nayingalo madoda.
Hey, so.
Uthini?
Ngiyaphila khambali.
Yizo.
Ngikhona khuluma na.
Hayi, angijabulile neze. Manje siphuma kwabesidlovu. Siqale enkantolo.
Oh, okay.
Akavelanga. Bekufanele abingelele imantshi namhlanje. Kuthiwa ukhaliphe. Sasuka ke ngoba imantshi sikhiphile manje igunyaza amaphoyisa ukuthi ayomfuna aze amthole. I-warrant of arrest. Sase siya ke kwabesidlovu basho ukuthi hayi bona into abazoyenza ukuthi bagada ugogo bathumela amaphoyisa beloku nje bepatrola. So manje na into engiyidinga kuyo. Umbhemu lo kuthiwa ngathi ubalekele ekhaya wehlile MC.
Tenanga.
Ekudeni kangaka. Uyazi umoshila lithi.
Uyazi amacala.
Injalo. Manje ngifuna wena uyabona bathi uyaguduza uyaphenya wenza konke ufuna le ndoda ilethe kimi iphila.
Ngimvundulule ngibuye naye ngobe njalo.
Yebo.
Hayi ake ngisebenze.
Sebenza ndoda.
MC ayikhetuzana.
Uzongitshela mase umthole.
Khulile.
Kube njalo.
Sure.
Uyaphila mntu? Yebo mntu. Kuhlukumeza abantu abadala ukuthi ababayini.
Hayi lutho mama sihlukumezeka abantu abahlukumezeka la yithi.
Kanjani?
Uyabona nje wesesi elobusasho nabazali. Naye uhlukumeza sahlukumezeka kakhulu.
Awungitshele baba, umazi kanjani ugogo?
Ugogo lo ngale futhi nje ebongumakhelana.
Hayi vela sesithathu le mawe.
Hayi, uzalwa uye na.
Hayi
Awuzalwa uye.
mfowethu mina ngakhuliswa yena uthi malume kubaba.
Indlu kababa le.
Property. It's a private property, that place.
Liphi iphepha lakhona lalela baba liphi iphepha elishoyo ukuthi
Hela. I'm born and bred in that yard. Intaba yami iwethe wena, kanhlanisa wena.
wazalelwa khona
ngikuhlo yena ngoba ngikutshela nje ukuthi mina ngasho nobaba wangithatha wami khona ekhaya yezwa la behlala endlini esebenza ebhanga khona imoto zakithi
so mayishona wasishiya namaphepha
waseshiya lapha endlini
washiya namaphepha na indlu leyana ibhalwe ngaye na naye engiyibuzayo indlu le yakagogo ayiphendula yona
manje manje kunento nami engishaya la
igama likaMwela senaba
ngishawa into eyodwa la ukuthi awazazi njengoba agcwele ngale akho umuntu onephepha iyodwa into endlene yakhe lezi nje ngalezi ibond
umasipala ukhipha nyamuntu
wona abantu bamabond bawathatha ama 50,000 singene sakho
ungena kuphi ngoba 50,000 kwena ungena kuphi
umshayeli wale bond yakwadlamini dlamini bonke labantu bangena la
mina ngeke ungishayashaya ngeke uzothi uhluke
he's always like this. Let me tell you, I work hard for my son.
Pikisana nyanga kunesonto ngilasela washaya ngingakusiza kule nto ngeke nayo yazi
into ezoyenzeka manje uzoyiyeka mduduzi yeso uhlukumeza ugogo mangaba
angikhulumi naye abashishoda naloku
mama ufuna ukuyithola useyikhindini wangempela ke manje uzoyeka ubhodloza ama-window loku uharasa ugogo and emakukini lapho zikhona indlela akhona ama-ofisi
siyathende court namanje sokhuluma ngaleyo ndaba
Balekile Friday, last week Friday. Where were you?
bekushoniwe ekhaya budezwana uthathe ubude lephepha lapha
asiyeni ke kwabasilahla siyoyikhuluma khona ngoba yabona into enkulu baba
ngingibophisela manje
lalela noma ngabe njengoba uthi kukini lapha zikhona
ayikona singayifela ke le nto
asambe yotshela amaphoyisa asambe yotshela amaphoyisa
Angeke ivuke
mama ake sesimbambile umdu kodwa ngikutshele ngiyasaba ngoba umdu angeke ayiyeke le ndaba ungena indaba zabantu abangasekho emhlabeni kuyaphika ukuthi wakhulela lana abanye bathi chaza angikhulele lana umvelase sathi siyamcuphisa njengoba wena sokukhomba ukuthi kukini la manje umuntu omdala ayi ngiyamzwela mani ngoba angiyiboni lento iphela siya naye manje police station ngoba vele une warrant of arrest siyozokhona ukuthi kuyothiwani
ngubabheze lapho ku-TV ubatshela ukuthi umfana wamadondo lemsini ngazi mina lo aba wonke jikelele South Africa
sangithi yazazi isitori sakagogo
ngangibopha indlu ngakuthola ngiyakutshela khona ngakuthola mina mama wathi indlu ngayithatha ngakutshela ukuthi buwanela ngakufela mina lo ngakufela mina ngangibophe manje kodwa kusala indlu ngayithatha umsiza ngikhuluma ngiyakhaza kodwa
And it's not about
ngifuna ukuthi ngivumelane umuntu akekho umuntu ongabizi iphesa namhlanje ebiziphesa kusasa yanibona yini umuntu udlala ngani ngeke ngiyophela vele ngibophe umthetho ukuthi kulini umthetho angizophuma nje ngizophuma kusasa lokusami ngizokubabheka ngimeme phela mina phinde ngibone futhi uzokubophisa futhi
This is the kind of situation eriphila moyo daily.
okay
Abusive character.
So uthi phele lento kumele kwenzakale
ukuthi phela la nto ofanele babholona efaka isihlobo nonza into bengapho ufuna ukuhlala esantini shwane nathi impela ngoba masisabona nawe nje sabona ngoba sifana lapha sashuma izanzani la ofanele efaka udobo impela ngapho uba sesantini
this is not gonna end well yeah how are you feeling now that Mdu is behind bars phambi kwenu nimbhekile bamfakoza nkosi
Yeah, it's so sad, but I'm happy that Noyana, there's something it's a lankopile e re khonang go ibona gore go etsagala eng.
mama wena o feel jwang
Ke feel ke thabile ke tla re
I think Malume has to calm down to solve this problem. My mom appeal in peace. Abone gore solution e tlhokagalang e etsagale yena he now has to come.
ngaye moteni ke Ayike sigcina lapha indaba kagogo namhlanje kodwa inhliziyo mayijabulile ayangeneme neze ngoba umfana lo ayikapheli indaba according to him. Uthi futhi yena ufuna ukuboshwa aphinda aboshwe kakhulu. Uthi yena kungenzeka noma yini angeke yena aze ayeke indlu yakubo. Ugogo naye uthi cha ikhaya leli engalakhelwa ubaba wami so angeke ngizokhishwa yilo mfana. Manje mina into engiyibonayo la ukuthi noma ngabe umfana eseboshiwe uyasho unomeli yena uzophuma kusasa ekseni ngebail. Uthi labantu bazoyibhadalela. Ingakho ngithi ngithanda ukucela umphakathi wase-Alexander abamaziyo ugogo abayazi indaba ngenelelani ugogo uhlala yedwa angeke ugogo azohlukunyezwa. Thina abantu abadala sazi ukuthi bayahlonishwa abahlukunyezwe. Ngivala lapho ke namhlanje. Mawunenkinga ungathanda ukuthi nawe 6 na amafoni nami escreenini. Sithinte. Nale kahle.